and welcome to the Teach Me Forex Intraday Trading Weekly Report for Saturday, February 21st, 2009. So traders of the world, welcome back, and let's dive into the week that was for the Teach Me Forex Intraday Team Trade Room. 256 potential pips. Could have been yours trading with us in the Intraday Team Trade Room. So, well, 256, what's that? Well, show me the money, I hear. Well, this is just what we're about to do with Peter Pipper, Susie Lovelots, and Bubba Big Shot, our three hypothetical traders. They all went through the Teach Me Forex graduate program. They all attend the Intraday Team Trade Room on a daily basis. They just have different level of experience with trading. But one thing, only thing they have in common is they each started 3 accounts to start the year. Peter Pipper started them with $500 in each account. Susie Lovelots, well, a little more money, Susie, so a little more risk capital available, so $2,000 in each account. And Mr. Big Shot, the Bubba there, 10 grand in each account, because the big shot he is. So there we go. Let's see how they're doing with this this week. 28 trades total were called inside the rooms. 23 of those were winners, 5 of them were losers. A gross pip total of 256 pips potentially. Alright, so let's take a look at these individual trades now, and we start on Monday. Lots of trades being called on Monday. 3 losses found their way into this, and we're down to 86 pips for the day, so we're able to pad up the 3 accounts on that day. On Tuesday, we're only able to pad up one of our accounts, and our second account actually ended up with a little bit of a loss, about 5 pips of a loss there. And on the Wednesday, we only padded up the first account there. And finally, on Thursday, we're able to pad up 2 accounts, and on Friday, things are back. For 84 pips, we're able to pound up to our 3 accounts. So good week, Wally and the gang. Thanks for sharing your results with us. Let's keep on going. So what is a pip? Well, a pip stands for price interest percentage. There's 100 pips in a cent, but really every time the price moves in our favor or against us, it's $1 per lot traded. So if we're trading 8 lots and there's a 1 pip movement, it's worth plus or minus $8 for us. 5 lots plus or minus $5 to us. It goes like this. So now you're asking, did our traders take all of these trades? Of course not. That's next to impossible to do. Well, this week might have been a little bit easier because there's about half the volume of trade that we typically have. But bottom line is each trader took enough trades to reach their pip goal in their respective account. Now you're hearing, what pip goal? What is that? Well, here they are. Account number 1 is a 10 pip. You get your 10 net pips, you close the account. Account number 2, you get your 10 net pips, you close the account. Account number 3, the reward account. Typically, we could go up and above 15 pips, but just for the sake of these examples, we'll take the 15 pips, close, and reward ourselves like that. So let's go see how our 3 traders fared this week. So Peter Pipper started the account number 1 at 630, ends up with 657. Account number 2 ends up at 645, and account number 3 ends up at 705.50. A total profit for Peter Pipper this week, $60, which is increased by 3%. Is starting weekly balance. Good job, Peter. Susie, well, 25.50 started the account number 1 and 2, ends up with account number 1, 26.58, and 26.10 in account number 2. And the reward account, which started at 2,000, well, is now up $860 since the beginning of the year. Another 3% in the bank for Susie, 240 pips total profit. Good job, Susie. And Bubba, Mr. Big Shot, here he is with his big $10,000 account. Well, where are we at now? Well, account number 1's at $13,326, and account number 2, $13,072, and account number 3, the big reward one, $14,341. Good job, Bubba. Another $1,200, almost $1,300 in total profit this week. That's good for a 3% increase on your account. Good job to you, Bubba. And that's what it means as far as the money is concerned. 28 trades, 23 winners, 5 losers, 256 potential gross pips. And now, you know you're not expected to take every single one of these trades, but what about taking every single one of these trades that we call to the exact pips? That either. You're not expected to do that. All we're doing here is we're providing and identifying enough trading opportunities where you, the trader, is expected to net a minimum of 10 pips in 2 separate trading accounts. Yes, we do that. Absolutely. You came to the right door. We believe in this saying, give a man a fish, he eats for a day. Teach a man how to fish, he'll eat for a lifetime. We want to teach you how to pip. We want to be your Forex pipping guys so you can take that skill with you for the rest of your life. And if you're wondering who we are, what we do, how we do it, or how to join us in one of our exciting team trade rooms, please visit us at www.teachmeforex.com. And please help us build and fulfill our vision. Let us create the largest team of successful online currency traders in the world, one trader at a time. Will you be next? And finally, from the whole team at Teach Me Forex, have yourself a pleasant weekend.